Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Ladies finger curry, magic ingredient added in this. I learned from my mom how to do this. This will taste really good. Try this recipe. This will take minimum 15 minutes of time. Let's see it. In a dry pan, take 1 spoon of oil and heat it. After it is heated, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of chana dal. Add 6 curry leaves. I like this sound. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor. Add 3 red chilies cut into half. And then add 20 lady's finger. Lady's finger has good amount of fiber and it is really good for diabetes. Add quarter spoon of turmeric to retain the color. Add half spoon of salt. Give a gentle mix. Whenever my mom prepare this curry, we eat just like that. No need of rice or any roti. We can eat it just like that. This curry will be really tasty. Definitely you have to try this. Add nicely chopped quarter tomato. This is the magic ingredient. Without tomato, the lady's finger curry will not taste good. Then add 5 garlic cut into half. Give a gentle mix with all the ingredients. Now all the ingredients are added, just we need to do the cooking process. Let's see that. Keep the flame in medium to low or even low. Cover it with lid and cook it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of cooking, take the lid. Check your curry that is not stick onto your pan. See here. Before closing the lid, wipe out all the water, evaporated water, and then close it with the lid again. The evaporated water should not come down to the curry. Now close the lid again. After 3 minutes of cooking, take out the lid. Your curry is almost done. Again mix it very well. Now you could see there is no sticking at the bottom. See here. Again we have to cook it for another 2 minutes. After wiping the evaporated water, close the lid. After 2 minutes, take out the lid. You could see all ingredients are cooked very well. Our tasty lady's finger curry is ready. Transferring to the serving bowl. You can have this curry with any variety of rice and also with roti or chapati. You can also eat just like that. This will be a weight loss recipe too. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.